Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Hostinger domain to Squarespace. And all you will have to do is, of course, have both accounts and sign into them. Now, after you sign into your Hostinger, you choose which domain you want to use for connecting to Squarespace. So I'm just going to copy this domain, which I'm going to use. And now here on Squarespace, you're going to go to your dashboard, and after you go to your website, which you will use, you're going to click on settings right here. And now here you're going to see domains and email, and you're going to click on domains. And now you want to, of course, use a domain that you own. Then you're going to choose this one. You're going to click the arrow. As you can see, it's registered with Hostinger, and you want to connect your domain like this. Select the provider. You're just going to choose other and continue. And now you will see all of these DNS settings here, which you need to put into your Hostinger. So now you're going to go to your Hostinger, and as you can see, you can manage all of your DNS records. So you need to put all of them to your Hostinger from Squarespace. As you can see, this is the host, type, and required data. So the type would be CNAME, for example. And the name would be, let's put it here. Let's choose the CNAME. The name would be this one, and the target is this one. Like this, add a record. As you can see, the record was added. Now you're going to do the same with all of these, with other types, and so on. So let's, for example, put this one, type A, and add a record. And you're basically going to do this with every single one of those. And like that, you're going to add all of the records right here. As you can see, sometimes it conflicts because there's already a CNAME right here. So you need to delete those and then add this one. Now, after you've done all of these DNS settings, you need to go here to website and the site availability. And as you can see, it is private right now. But when you upgrade to publish, so basically pay for the site, you can do this publicly and have this website working. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.